Most parents never expect to be in this situation. Your child's been seriously injured at daycare, and now you're trying to piece together what really happened. This is step number 4 in our video series, 5 steps to take after a daycare injury. If you haven't already, you can download our full guide using the link below to see all 5 steps. By this point, you've asked for the daycare's incident report and made a report to the state. Now it's time to gather everything you can about what happened, because the more you know, the better you can protect your child. Start by talking with your child about what happened. Even young children may remember details that the daycare didn't share. Listen carefully and ask gentle follow-up questions to help them explain in their own words. Next, check the Texas Health and Human Services website. They post public records of all reported incidents for the last 2 years. Looking through those reports can show whether this daycare has had other issues and if there's a pattern of unsafe behavior. You can also talk with other parents. They might have noticed things you didn't, or maybe their child mentioned something similar. When parents share what they've seen, it helps everyone get a clearer picture of what's happening behind closed doors. Be sure to read all the online reviews as well, the good and the bad. Negative reviews can sometimes reveal issues that the daycare tries to downplay. Pay attention to any comments about supervision, staffing, or safety. Those can be red flags. When you're reviewing what happened, take note of any observations you personally remember. Even small details can be helpful if the incident needs to be revisited later. And when you talk with the daycare, ask direct questions. Did they conduct an investigation? Will the caregiver involved still be supervising children? Was the incident reported to the state? Is there video of what happened? And what steps will they take to help prevent something like this from happening again? These questions help you see whether the daycare is taking accountability or just trying to move on. Deciding whether to keep your child there is a personal choice. But if you feel the injury could have been prevented, it's okay to look at other options. The most important thing is making sure your child is in a safe, trustworthy environment. Finally, know that most daycares carry insurance for situations like this. But dealing with that process isn't always simple. That's where we come in. Our team at the Button Law Firm helps families navigate what comes next so you can focus on your child's recovery. If you have any questions or want guidance about what to do next, reach out to us. At the Button Law Firm, we're here to keep you and your family moving forward.